Welcome! In this video I will show you how to set up SSH keys on the Ubuntu 18.04. We will use SSH keygen command, and if you don't know how it works, you can check on the Wikipedia. So we have this command, and we will use the next options. First of all, it's type. Type will be this one, 4th generation. So what do we need to execute? So on your terminal, on your Ubuntu, type SSH keygen, then we set type, and as I said before, type will be this one. It's the latest, the best for now. And also you can type comment just if you need it. For example, we will add comment with email. For example, this one, but in your case it will be your email, or just skip it. So then we press submit, and we need to type file location where we want to save it. By default it will be ssh.sh folder under your home root, and the name will be based on the type of the key. It's ed and id, and that's it. We won't change the name, the location, let's keep it as is. Then we need to put passphrase. Usually I will leave it empty, but if you need to improve your performance, your security, you can choose some passphrase. For now we will leave it empty, and we will put the same empty passphrase again. And now, as you see, we have the key. So where is it? As you see, we are at the home. We can go to SSH, and here, as you see, we have two keys. It's a private key and the public key. Now if you want to see your public key, you can easily copy public key. Let's check what do we have. And as you see, you have your SSH public key with type, your key, and also we have comment we put. So you can copy this key and put everywhere where you need. For example, for your GitHub. The next important part, we need and now it's time to add our new generated key to the SSH agent. Let's start SSH agent. On the background. So we started it, and the next one we need to execute. The next command is ssh add, and the name of our key is from the home path. And as you see, we added our key, and now that's it. Now you can use your SSH key as much as you need. Thank you for watching.